The last thing I asked that's like segueing off of your journey a little bit, but what if there is someone, like, what's your advice or take on it when someone has all of the same things that you were feeling initially, but working out is not really something they desire?
It's not a priority. You know, they can still feel everyday life is exercise. So, you know, when we were 18, we could build muscle. We didn't have to always like weight lift. We could probably do push-ups, pull-ups. You know, I just think that strength training is so critical. If someone doesn't like strength training, they should figure out some form of exercise, whether, you know, yoga, Pilates, where they're putting their bodies under pressure, or their muscles, giving their muscles the opportunity to grow and get stronger.
Yes.
So,
some sort of activity.
Yeah, of course.
Yeah.
But like I said, there are just so many data studies. By the way, we're in Miami filming out on a balcony. If you couldn't hear that, some idiot, well, that's a strong word, but
Some
someone
guy who really likes cars or his motorcycle is
just
revving
up his engine, you know, to annoy everyone in the neighborhood. But anyway, yeah, you know, just find some type of exercise that puts the body under load.
So my takeaway then is, you know, if someone's not really into working out, but they want to start their health journey and they want to feel better, like, you're going to be someone who does push them to be at least active in some sort of way.
I would suggest it. I mean, at the end of the day, you know, if someone is low from like a testosterone growth hormone perspective, they're still going to dramatically benefit and feel better once their levels are optimal.
Yeah.
You know, they may not see the physical gains of someone who goes to the gym all the time, but they're still going to feel better.
Yeah.
So long-term health, I still, you know, it depends on someone's goal. They will still feel better, so it's still worth doing it. But where they're going to lose out is just over time, they're just not going to be as healthy as they can be.
It's fair.
Oh, is it a jet ski? I don't know if you guys on the video will be able to see some jet ski flying. But anyway.
All right.